Hey, it's Bridget with Stay Broke Business Consulting. It is day 228 of building $1 million business, a brand, and a podcast all in one. We just locked down a podcast that I'm really excited about, Runbin Dong from Scale Social AI. I actually had seen him separate than Randy. We both reached out to him in different ways, and we got it scheduled for coming up. He is an AI company that I saw on NCIDEA, about grants, and Randy saw him researching local businesses. So I've been diving into AI. I've used chat for probably 2+ years, as long as it's been out. But there's so much more to all of AI. So I'm excited to dig into that with the podcast with Runbin. But I'm wondering what you're using. I use AI to learn AI. I'm asking chat how to use Perplexity, or we're getting into content creation and video creation, a lot of different things. I also discovered Runbit actually has a custom GPT that looks at your business and your brand. And so it's asking me questions, and I found it really interesting that you can build a custom GPT and somebody else can use it. And so it speeds up everything. I am using it for how can I make this more professional in this email, and everything from our comments, our concerns, our socials, everything. So how are you using AI in your daily life, especially within your business? Are you using it to speed things up? And would more information about how we're using it be helpful to you? Like, follow, subscribe so you don't miss anything as we build 365 days of this first year of building Stay Broke Business Consulting. And as always, stay broke.